My name is John Day. My wife Dove and I live in Petoskey, Michigan, which is in the northern Lower Peninsula. We do gardening. My wife likes to do cut flowers. We also have a vegetable garden on our 10 acres. We're looking for a tiller that can do the job that we need to do so that we can expand our gardens. This past fall we also bought a front-tine tiller, and we were trying to break new ground with it, and it just was very difficult to use. It was bouncing around a lot. It doesn't have that maneuverability that we had hoped that it would have. So we're looking for something that's a little bit easier to use. We were introduced to the Orec Gardenquake by our friend Brian, and we're excited to try it out because, well, I just like new machinery for one, and we're always looking for something that's going to make our garden life a little bit easier.
Hey, thanks for coming out today to look at the Orec America Gardenquake Rear-Tine tiller. It has a 2-speed forward transmission for going across the property, which is really slick. And if you want to get it up on the trailer, reverse, or reverse out of the garden. When you put it all the way forward, you've locked the tines and the wheels, so you can continue and let the tiller do the work while you just walk behind it.
Now we have a front-tine tiller, and we have a problem with it drifting side to side. It pulls us one way or the other. Does this have something that prevents that?
I'm glad you asked. This has the locking differential, which will lock the wheels straight and you're going forward. When you get to the end of your row, just bring it off and give it a quick turn.
Now Dove has a hard time with the pull start mechanisms. Is this one easy to start?
This is really easy to start, John. You just turn it on, turn on the choke right here, and pull.
Why don't you give it a pull?
Then step up there, Dove, so that the safety. Yep. How easy is that?